Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can use Skyscanner in order to book a flight. Now, in order to book a flight on Skyscanner, first of all, make sure that you've already installed and created an account. After that, you need to open up your application. Make sure that you're connected to an internet service as well. To book a flight, go ahead and tap on the flight icon. After that, it's going to show you different type of options, such as whether you want to do it a round trip, one way, or multi-city. So select the trip accordingly, and once you've done that, underneath you have this option as departing from. So here you need to type in where you actually want to take the flight from. So for now, I'm just going to select the nearby location. After that, you need to select where you're actually flying to or your destination. So tap on the button and select the particular country or the state where you're actually flying to. You can also customize the date just by tapping on the date button, but then it has already been selected. So just tap on the date if you want to make changes with, and you need to click on the confirm button. Here right in the corner you also have this particular icon. Just tap on it. This actually means the number of travelers that's traveling with you. So you need to select it accordingly. So just tap on the plus icon if you want to increase it, and if you want to decrease it, tap on the minus button. After you're done that, click on the done button and click on the magnifying glass icon located right at the bottom. So after that, you can see these are all the flights that's available. As you can see, these are all the top flights. So select the flight accordingly, and if you're sure about it, then you need to select the date accordingly. After that, it's going to show you the list of flights that's available. So select the particular flight. Once you've done that, choose a provider, which is right at the bottom, and click on the continue button. So if you're sure about it, then click on the select button. Now it's going to take you to other interface where you'll be able to see all sort of details. So if you're sure about the flight, then click on the confirm button, and next page it's going to ask you to provide the card details. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see a confirmation on the third step, where it's going to show you that the flight has been booked, and that's actually going to be an evidence stating that you've successfully booked a flight on Skyscanner. In this way, you can book a flight on Skyscanner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.